Tackling the tasks of Mini Challenge 1, we started by surveying the data to assess the analysis needs to be implemented. We extracted the coordinates of given points and introduced new points at road crossings. Using a graph database, the extracted and added points helped us to calculate a more accurate approximation of the speed of the vehicles moving through the park and to find the shortest path between 2 points. Throughout our analysis, we assume that vehicles on average take the shortest route between 2 given points of interest if the vehicles are allowed on that path. In the pre-processing phase, we noticed quickly that while the given features seemed manageable individually, their meaningful combination would not be possible automatically due to the large number of dimensions, and also since we want to avoid losing subtle signals. For this reason, we chose to implement a visual rapid hypothesis testing system that enables an analyst to easily reject or confirm his conjectures by allowing the user to combine spatial, temporal, and categorical feature filters with Boolean operations. The user can choose to filter by arbitrary combinations, including negations, of vehicle type, violations of restrictions, time of day, road segments crossed, date, speed, stop time at points, and trip length. For the filtered selection, the user can visualize the speed and take a look at individual trips by selecting them and getting detailed trip statistics. In parallel, statistics about the amount of the filtered trips in 3 semantic aggregation levels, namely daily, weekly, and monthly steps, help the user to quickly recognize temporal patterns. Further statistics presented at all times comprise of either the maxima or average for trip speed, stop time, and overall trip length. We noticed that by manual exploration of trips, it is very hard to extract common spatial patterns. For this reason, we apply automatic trip sequence mining with parameterizable minimum support. By grouping the results, we are able to identify regular patterns, like regular ranger patrols, easily. In a collaborative effort, we then met to come up with hypotheses and test them directly, finding more interesting outliers and odd patterns on the way by looking at the statistics generated. In the end, our tool enabled us to identify both spatial and temporal daily patterns like tourist and transit traffic, long-term patterns like seasonal impacts, and unusual behaviors like car races and violations of restricted areas alike.